Good morning children. Today we'll study chapter 9, that is reproduction. Now what is reproduction? The process of producing same of their own kind is known as reproduction. Now reproduction is very important for the generations to continue. Now reproduction can be of two types, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two sexes are required, means one male and female, two sexes are required, but in asexual reproduction, it does not require two sexes. Only one single parent can give birth to the young one. Now, examples: frogs, fishes, reptiles, and mammals. In these, sexual reproduction occurs, and amoeba and paramecium generally asexual reproduction occurs. About asexual reproduction, we will study at the end. Now, when we talk about sexual reproduction, the male sexual organ produces the sperm and female sexual organ produces the egg or ova. And when these sperm and ova fuse together, they form zygote, and this process is called fertilization. What is fertilization? And these sperm and ova are called sex cells or gametes. When these sex cells or gametes, sperm is produced by male sexual organ and ova is produced by female sexual organ. When these sperm and ova fuse together, they form a zygote, and this process is called fertilization. Now, fertilization is also of two types, external fertilization and internal fertilization. In external fertilization mostly takes place in sea animals such as starfish, jellyfish, because they live in large groups in water and they lay their eggs in water. Eggs and sperms together on the surface of the water, and when the sperm fuses with eggs on the water and it forms zygote, and this zygote develops into an individual. So this type of fertilization which is happening outside the body of an organism is known as external fertilization. When you talk about internal fertilization, like in birds, reptiles and mammals, the male deposit the sperms inside the reproductive system of the female, and fertilization occurs and zygote is formed, and the zygote is being developed inside the female body. So this type of fertilization, where the fertilization occurs inside the body of the female, is known as internal fertilization. So earthworm and all these